Hello and welcome to ClickFunnels. If this is your first time here, then we want to welcome you, and we're so excited to have you. And what I want to do during this short video is to kind of give you a quick overview of what ClickFunnels is, how to find things, and if you get stuck, what to do. So what I want to begin with is if you do get stuck for whatever reason, let's say you can't figure out how to set up your integrations or something just doesn't seem to be working right, whatever it might be, what I want you to do is I want you to notice here on the left-hand side of the screen, this little blue button says Help. If you click on it, you'll notice this will pop up, and you'll have access to our #1 rated customer support team to help you get through any issues that might be holding you back. First thing I always recommend doing is coming here, searching through our knowledge base. We've created articles and videos on just about every different variation that you can dream of inside of ClickFunnels. So if you happen to get stuck and you go there, there's going to be videos and training and articles mapping out exactly how to fix your problem. Now, for whatever reason you aren't able to find your answer or you still just need a little extra help, then please contact our customer support team. You can create a ticket right here, and we recommend that if there's something happening on your page, take a screenshot, and that way you can show them exactly what it is and they'll know how to fix it the fastest. Okay, so again, the support team is here to help you. Again, they're working 24 hours a day, and typically no ticket goes over about 24 hours without being responded to. And so rest assured knowing that if you send something to our customer support team, you should hear back very, very quickly. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to show you kind of the main features and functionalities of ClickFunnels, so you'll be able to know exactly how to get things set up. And I have another video coming out where I'm going to show you exactly how to use the editor, and one that's going to show you how to set up your integrations. But for right now, I want to kind of walk you around what ClickFunnels is. Now, I got to this page right here by clicking on the Create Funnel button right now. When I clicked on that, it took me to this page where you can see the different types of sales funnels you can create. The first is an opt-in funnel. If you read this, it'll explain kind of what it is. And if you watch this video here, it'll pop up and it'll give you a little more training on what an opt-in video is. But basically, an opt-in video is a very simple, basic two-step funnel with a squeeze page and a thank you page to help you to generate leads and to start building an email list. The second type of funnel is a little bit more advanced. It's a sales funnel. It comes with a squeeze page, a sales page, and order forms, download pages, and everything else you need if you're going to be selling a product. Our third is our webinar funnels. Now, these integrate with either GoToWebinar or Webinar Jam, and there are our sales funnels to get somebody to register for your webinars. The fourth here is called our automated webinars. Now, automated webinars allow you to create evergreen webinars where you create the recording once, you upload it into ClickFunnels, and then you can create an entire sales process that's based off of automated webinars, which are really cool ways to make your presentation evergreen so that you don't have to be doing trainings every single week, but you can automate those through our automated webinar funnels. You can also create membership sites inside of ClickFunnels. You can create product launch funnels, or you can create custom funnels. So if you have an idea for a funnel and you know it needs to have these pages in this order, then you can create custom funnel, kind of build anything you really want. Okay. Now for this example, I'm just going to build a simple opt-in page. I click here, then I click on Create Funnel. Now I can name my funnel here, and I can tag it. The tag is the category that will show up when all of your funnels are archived together. So I click on the Create Funnel button now, and now what it'll do is it'll go to create all of the pages you need for this funnel. You notice over here for this funnel, I've got an opt-in page and a thank you page. Okay, so for each of these pages, I come here and I can go and select a template I like. Now we've got a bunch of template options. You can see here, you can see different variations if you move around. So I'm gonna come back here to opt-in templates. I'm gonna scroll down, find one that I really like the design of. Which, by the way, we're always adding new layouts and looks and feel and designs, and so you can come back here often and find new designs. So I'll pick that one, and that'll now become the opt-in template for this step in the funnel. Okay. Now after I do that, you'll notice it'll go through and it'll kind of set up this page for me really quickly. Okay, now I can see like a little thumbnail of what that page is going to look like. This is the website URL I can click on to actually see the page live, or if I click on this little arrow here, it'll pop that page open. I can see a live version of the page, which is kind of fun. You can also see your stats. You'll see how many visitors are coming, what your conversion rate is, how many leads you've generated. You'll also be able to come down here and see your traffic stats. So you'll be able to see day by day how much traffic is coming to the page. See how many conversions, and it'll give you a really good idea of what's happening. From this screen right here, I can also set split tests. So let's say I know this page is good, but I want to split test different variations. I can click here on split tests, and I can create a split test. Now when I create a split test, I have two different ways I can do it. One is I can create a split test based on this template. So let's say I just want to change a headline. I can create the exact same template and just tweak a headline, or I can create an entirely different look and feel. So here I'm going to create a split test. And again, here I can create one from the existing page, or I can create it from a brand new template. So let's say I just want to do one from the existing page, and you'll see what will happen. And now it's going to create an exact clone of that page, and then I can log into that one through the editor and edit that page as well. So if you click right here on split test now, you'll see this is the other page variation. So the first visitor comes will go to this page, second one will go to this page, and they'll go back and forth. And really quickly here we'll start seeing which one's converting the best. And as soon as we find out the winner, we can then promote that one and make that the control. Now you can also set it up where ClickFunnels can send out a basic email marketing sequence for you. So after somebody subscribes to your list, as you'll see inside the editor, I can integrate it with my favorite email autoresponder, but I can also have it set up where ClickFunnels sends out emails for me. If I want to do that, I can click right here on Add New Email. I can very quickly type in my name. This is the email, if I can type it right. I can just go out to everyone. I can type in the email body here. I can have a delay saying send this email out 1 day after they subscribe. I can set up like that, create email, and boom, email number 1 goes in there. I can go and create an entire email sequence here if I want to. Okay, so these are some of the core features that happen here inside of ClickFunnels, and there's so much more you're going to find as you start playing with it. Like for example, you can download the HTML file, you can download a WordPress plugin, you can download an iframe to embed inside of your blog. You can create a Facebook page out of these. You can also come down here if you want to clone this page, you can clone it. You can set up instant opt-in and squeeze pages. And there's so many different things that you'll be able to do. But just really quick, I want to show you just kind of how you get set up. Now you can do the same thing with the thank you page. I can come here and select which thank you page template I want to use. So I'll choose that one. Now the other cool thing is after I kind of pick these pages in this template, in this funnel, I can go and add more pages to it as well. So let's say I want to add another page in this sequence. I can click on Add New Page. I'm going to name this page. So let's say I want to add a bridge page in here. Click on Bridge Page. Now it's going to go and it's going to create this page for me. And you'll notice when it creates this page for me, it doesn't add it up here in the funnel, because when I add something new to the funnel, it'll reset the funnel stats to make sure the stats are correct. But it adds it down here as an extra page. So now it's down here, and I can add as many extra pages as I want down here. So I'm going to come down here, and this one, if I want to change what page type it is, I click on this bar right here and open up all the different page types. So I'll come down here, and let's say I want to make this one a sales page. I'll click on that, and then it's going to pull up all the sales pages. I can look through all the sales page templates. So let's say I like this one the best. So I choose that as a template. And after I do that, you'll notice it'll pull up the same dashboard as when I pick the other templates. And you'll be able to see, again, the traffic, the conversions. I can set a split test on that page as well. But what I want to show you is now this is down to extra pages. If I want this to be added in my funnel tracking, I can scroll down here and I click on Add. So I'm on this page, click on Add to Funnel. I click on that, and it's going to move the page from right here, and it's going to pop it up here inside the actual funnel. Now it's right here. So now I have opt-in, thank you page, bridge page. But let's say I want to change the order. Let's say I want it to go opt-in, then to bridge page, then thank you page. I come right here, I grab this little arrow, and I can drag it up here, and instantly it'll rearrange the order. Now I'm going to get this warning box right here saying, wait, if you do this, it's going to reset your funnel stats. So I say, okay. And it resets the funnel stats, and now it's going to be ready to start driving traffic to again. Okay, so that's basically how you start using ClickFunnels. You will find that each different funnel type has different features and options. For example, if you come back here to the Create Funnel page, and if you want to make a sales funnel, you'll notice that as you create a sales funnel, there's going to be order forms. For example, let me show you really quick what happens when I set up an order form. I create the funnel. And you notice that primarily most of the steps inside this type of funnel are going to be identical to the other one. But notice here on order form, when I click on order form, there's going to be, and if I choose the order form, you notice one other option is going to appear in here. And again, you'll notice this on different types of funnels, different options that will appear. For example, this one right here has a product sales link. And if I click on that, I can add my product. And this is the product that's going to show up on the order form. And as you will find during other training videos, I can set this up to integrate with different merchant or different shopping carts. For example, I can set it up with Stripe or Infusionsoft or Backpack or just different billing integrations here. And again, that's training for another video, but just wanted to show you that you'll notice that sometimes different things will show up like there. So if you're adding a product on the order form or on an upsell page, you'll have a product tab there that'll appear. The other cool thing is if you're setting up a membership site, which I will set up a quick membership site so you can see that as well. The first step is I pick the access page, and the second step is I need to add the content to the actual members area. So I click on that, and I'll select a members area. And after I do that, then it's going to go and allow me to add content. So I can add different lesson sections. So if I have a membership area, I could call this module number 1, then create module number 2, etc. I can build out the entire members platform like that. So I create the modules first, and I can go in here and add the lessons. Call this lesson number 1. Pick my page template. I can set up a drip delay if I want on the members area. And now I can go back and start adding in all the lessons. And that's how I create a membership site. Okay. Now, again, each of these will be a little bit different, but I just want to kind of show you how to feel your way around. So when you come in here, you don't feel like you're lost. And so, again, the first step, you guys, is just click on the Create Funnel button now, and I want you to create your very first funnel. It doesn't have to be something complex. I recommend doing an opt-in funnel first, just so you can try it out and see how it works. And then after you kind of master that, then you can move on and start creating sales funnels, webinar funnels, and some of the more advanced funnels after that. So this is video number 1. Thank you so much. And again, if you have any questions or need help, please click on the blue help button here, and someone from our team can help walk you through what you need. Thanks so much, and welcome to ClickFunnels.